This course provides a comprehensive overview of trade-based money laundering, explaining how criminals exploit trade transactions to launder money and terrorist financing. By the end, participants will be equipped to gain an understanding of trade-based money laundering and its significance in the global financial landscape. This module provides a foundation for recognizing how trade-based money laundering exploits international trade channels. Learn the common trade-based money laundering techniques, including over-invoicing, under-invoicing, multiple invoicing, and other manipulation tactics used to disguise illicit funds through trade. Explore the complexities and challenges in identifying trade-based money laundering, including trade volume, complex supply chains, and lack of standardization across borders. Identify key red flag indicators that may signal trade-based money laundering activities, such as unusual trade patterns, mismatches between goods and payments, and inconsistent shipment details. Understand the role of law enforcement and international agencies in detecting and investigating trade-based money laundering, including collaboration with regulatory bodies. Learn effective tools, techniques, and methodologies for detecting trade-based money laundering, emphasizing both manual and automated detection processes. Review the economic impacts of money laundering, including harm to financial stability, fair competition, and market integrity. Understand the regulatory frameworks, including Financial Action Task Force guidelines that govern trade-based money laundering, along with compliance obligations for financial institutions. Examine the specific risks that trade-based money laundering poses to banking operations and learn risk mitigation strategies tailored for financial institutions. Learn the importance of evolving trade-based money laundering practices, as well as the need for continuous monitoring, updating policies, and adapting to new techniques.